like, subscribe, and share. Busy areas with limited or no access to power are high-risk locations that are prone to contamination. That's because these areas, such as buses, trains, and public transit hubs, rarely get sanitized as most cleaning devices are powered by outlets. An effective way to implement disinfection in these locations is to use the Larson Electronics Rechargeable Handheld UV Kit. Made in the USA, this solution enables individuals to clean locations when power is unavailable. Our UV cleaning kit includes 4 handheld UV disinfection lamps and a rechargeable lithium-ion battery pack. The portable sanitation units utilize Biax UV fluorescent lamps to eliminate up to 99.9% of bacteria, viruses, mold, and other harmful microbes. Each UV device features a top-located handle and 50 feet of 16.3 SOOW cord with a 515P cord cap, which allows individuals to sanitize hard-to-reach areas easily. With a 6-hour runtime per full charge, the system is designed to cover complex spaces. Please like, subscribe, and share. To check out our complete selection of UV sanitation and disinfection products, visit Larson Electronics today. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.